NorthStar Moving has been absolutely magnificent. They came last Wednesday, they loaded a big truck for us. They did it very organized in a very good fashion. 5 guys, they worked very hard. Now they came back again today and look how quickly they were able to pack all this. We're going to Finland, so it had to be packed for an international move. And they're going to take it to a pallet, and they're going to actually deliver it to where we're moving to, the specific address. So you couldn't ask for more than that or better than that.
Door to door.
Yeah.
And on top of it all, Abner never, ever got tired of my 1,500 calls. He always promptly returned my calls or answered them right on the spot. The most professional ever.
Yeah, and it wasn't her fault. We had to delay because of the house escrow closing and things like that. It was always one thing after another. So, but it's just worked out wonderful. We couldn't have been luckier or found a better moving company to go overseas with than you guys here. NorthStar, it's actually in Finnish it's Pohjantähti, which means North Star, and it's a good luck, the Northern Star, and it's a good luck charm. So you guys are a good luck charm.